Hello, I'm Joyce Rossen, a certified counselor, and this is your Healthy Minute for today. One of the best depression coping skills is to stay connected to others. When you have a support system, overcoming depression begins to look a lot more possible. This in itself provides the much needed comfort and reassurance that you are not alone. One of the first things that depression does is to erode your healthy perspective. If you have relationships that matter to you, then you will be able to sustain healthy, optimistic outlooks. However, keep in mind that depression also makes it much harder to reach out to others. You will have to work hard to overcome that effect in order to connect with people. And may God bless you in that today.